Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best nanny cams in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Divine Eagle USB Charger Nanny Camera. No matter how and where you want to use a spy camera, the Divine Eagle USB Charger camera packs all the features you need to watch over your kids. It's actually a security camera in a tiny USB charger which allows you to keep it hidden just anywhere you want. It records videos in 1080p, offers live streaming and excellent motion detection technology. The tiny stealth camera lets you keep an eye on the kids being completely undetectable. It supports SD card recording of up to 256 GB, which can store the recording of about 50 hours. It features plug and play, means no charging and no dead batteries, just insert the micro SD card, and you are all set to watch over the nanny. Number 2. Our second best pick is Amcrest Wireless Nanny Cam. The Amcrest security camera is one of our favorite nanny cams. Why? Because it was designed with kids in mind. For example, it can detect the sound of a carrying baby and send you alerts directly on your smartphone. It's a reasonably priced home security camera that records videos in full HD 1080p and offers two-way audio, live streaming, 355-degree remote pan, and 80-degree tilt so you can check up on the kids as well as the nanny. The Amcrest home security camera also has one of the best quality low light vision, which can view up to 33 feet in complete darkness. So you can watch over the kids and the caretaker during the nighttime or enable the motion detection system, which will let you know if any motion is detected. Number 3. Our third best pick is Sir Gawain Mini Spy Camera. This tiny camera from Sir Gawain is one of the most undetectable spy cameras we could spot. It's small. You can set this up just about anywhere. Even the picture quality is excellent, and the night vision is also quite satisfactory. If you are concerned about your kids and the nanny's behavior, you may consider keeping one of these cameras hidden in their rooms. Despite its small size, the camera can capture videos in full HD 1080p. Not only that, the tiny little device has night vision with 6 infrared LEDs and can rotate 140 degrees to give you a clear picture of the whole setup. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Faleemi Home Surveillance Camera. Up next, we have a home surveillance camera with 1080p resolution, 340-degree viewing angle, night vision, two-way audio that too within a budget. The Faleemi Nanny Cam beat many high-tech surveillance systems with its functionality and affordability. The camera streams live videos in full HD, and you can connect it to your smartphone for remote operation. It sends you an alert each time it detects a motion along with a 10-second short video clip of what's happening. With the two-way audio talk, you can have a real-time conversation with the nanny or your child right through the camera. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Oridum Mini Spy Camera. Corded hidden cameras are kind of inconvenient. They need to be placed where there is a power outlet. That's not always possible, especially when you must hide the camera from the nanny or the kids. For instances like that, we have found a tiny pinhole camera that's exactly the size of a 1-inch cube. The Oridum Tiny Wireless Security Camera streams full HD videos to its connected device and sends you instant notifications along with 3 snapshots once a movement is detected. It's Wi-Fi enabled and supports remote control. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.